Hi guys, this is Dharam Singh. I'm your PgMP, PfMP, PMP mentor. I am very excited to announce that I will be in Europe, especially Germany and Italy in the month of May. And I'm going to run PgMP programs, one in Frankfurt and second one in Italy. The Frankfurt program is 8th, 9th, 10th, and the Italy program is planned for 11th, 12th and 13th of May. So I know it's going to be a very exciting boot camp. Wherever I go, whenever I go, I learn a lot, and you're going to learn a lot from me. And in these 3 days, lots of learning, fun, interactive program, and you're going to get best value for your money. So let's take a step back to find out where you are. If you are PMP, you are 1 in million PMPs. If you are a PgMP, you are 1 in 3,000. And if you are PfMP, you are 1 in 1,000, or even 1,000 PfMPs. And if you happen to have all the 3 certificates, then you probably 1 in 100. It's a great feeling to be one of them. But the main reason for your certification, not just to be one of the number and top, that can be one of the, I want to be number 1 in my company, number 1 in my city, number 1 in, all these are good motivation to have. But many people, or you probably have another motivation, that I wanted to change my job. I wanted to grow vertically. I want to get into the senior roles, better pay, get recognition from my colleagues, from PMI, and many opportunities will open for you. So this is your starting point, and I'm sure if you are committed, you're passionate, and you are determined, you will be there. I will be your guide, I will be a mentor, I will keep motivating you, I will assist you, handhold you, so that you reach your destination as soon as possible. In Germany, I'm working with my friend, my colleague, we know each other for a long time now. He is pioneer, he is a PMI fellow. He was PMI president, PMI Frankfurt chapter president, and he was board of director in the PMI Global. His name is Thomas Walenta. You probably know him. He's very well known person. He's very versatile. He has been doing great jobs. He's going around. He's a teacher, trainer himself. So we have collaborated to deliver the Frankfurt program. I'm very proud to have him in my team, or collaborating with him. So I'm going to share his detail, and please contact him if you want to connect with him, learn from him, and find out more about this program. And in Italy, what I'm doing, I'm actually collaborating with one of my previous students. He happened to be PgMP. He got PgMP, he was my student. So I'm collaborating in my Italian program via him. So I'm looking forward to bring PgMP, PfMP to Europe in a big way. I know there are already some PgMPs or PfMPs, but the number is very tiny. Not even 50 in any of the countries. So I like to see the number grows, and you benefit, your organization benefit from these certificates. So you have opportunity. I'm coming to your city, Frankfurt and Rome, whichever convenient to you. If you are in the country, if you are in the city, definitely it's a great thing for you. But if you're not, please, fly in. 3 days, stay in a hotel and have good time with me and with other people in the class. You're going to learn a lot. So from this program, you're going to learn, and also you will continue to learn via my pre-recorded videos. I'm going to give you a number of pre-recorded videos, 11 videos, and after the class you plan to watch a video, 2 videos in a week, along the video, you're going to read the standard, you're going to go through my book, you're going to go through the question bank. I'm going to provide you a name, suggest you a few names. All this will help you to prepare yourself and go for exam in next 4 to 8 weeks. So this is how you can achieve your result faster. And if you want to get even faster result, you can do faster. Why not? Because you have the learning, 3 days learning, and the recorded programs. All will help you to get yourself ready for the exam. After supporting so many PgMPs, altogether I have 62 PgMP as of December 2019. While there are a few more days to go in this year, I'm hoping to have another 5 or 6 in this year. So all going good. If you wanted to be, in my 300 or my top 500, you should be joining this program. And by the way, this is not about me, it's about you. Because I put everything to make sure I get another number and you pass exam and you go all the way. There are a number of PgMP already, 3 PgMP from Germany and 5 from Italy. They were my student. So they learned via my mentoring program. Actually, one person came all the way from Germany to Sydney to attend my Sydney program. Thank you. So that's showing the trust people have in my program. So for you, lucky that I'm coming to your city, so you will be benefiting from my program. So last month, November, was great for me. 11 out of 31 PgMPs were my students. They took my professional services and they passed the exam. So this is 35% of global number. So I'm very, very proud of this number. So rest assured, the program I have built, the support I have, you will pass the exam. Provided you are committed, you are passionate, you are really, really willing to put everything to pass the exam. All right. So other than the videos, my application support, I will help you to write the application. I have a package, comes as a video and 2 sample application and application support handbook. All will help you to write your application. Make sure have your own examples and own style of writing. Okay, if you have any copy and paste, I will know that, and PMI also know that. I don't, PMI will most likely reject your application. So have your own words. Okay, so doesn't matter you get wrong, I will help you to fix it. Okay, don't worry about it. You're going to get a complete reference guide, you're going to get a Pathfinder and a question bank and a mapping workbook. All will come to you, and you have my unlimited support till you pass your exam. Okay, and you also have 1 hour with me 7 days or 10 days before the exam, and this is where I will analyze the readiness, and I will see if you have any question clarification, I will clarify them. If everything looks good, I will give you tips and hints what to do in the next 7 days, what to do in the last 24 hours, what to do in the last night, during the exam, on the exam date, and what you do in the exam, all step by step. Very structured program. So you have everything, you will go all the way, I'm very, very sure. So please join, and we'll see you soon. And to register, of course, you register by going to my website, and the website is given to you here. And you can contact me or Thomas Walenta for Germany program and Italian program, Vincenzo, he can help you with that. Okay, so, and if you have any question, clarification about your application and eligibility, please reach out to me via this phone number or by booking appointment by www.dharamsingh.co. I will spend 15-20 minutes with you and make sure your all the doubts and any doubts, question you have all, whatever you need to know about it. Okay, guys. So I hope I will see you soon and add value to your success. So please join, and good luck. See you soon. Bye.